Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I've not come with a recipe. Instead, I'm here with an unboxing video of Morphy Richard's OTG, that is 52 liter. I had purchased this 1 month ago and I've already tried a few recipes. In this video, I'll be explaining its features, the accessories and dimensions. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So this is the Morphy Richard's oven, that is 52 liter oven toaster griller. And the code is 52RCSS. This is a packing in which we had received. It is available online. I'll be sharing the link below. It has the following features, that is defrost, rotisserie kebab rod set, thermostat, timer and function select knobs. I had purchased this 1 month ago and I've already tried a few recipes. I'll be sharing it in the coming videos. Meanwhile, watch till the end. I'll be explaining the features, its accessories, dimensions and basic functions. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all options so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more simple and interesting or healthy recipes. So we finished unboxing. This is the rotisserie tong which is used to pull out the rotisserie rod while you're grilling chicken. Next we have the wire rack which can be used for cooling your baked goods or for grilling purposes. On this we have the rotisserie rod and the rods for grilling. These are two steel plates which are used for fixing your grilling rods, which I'll be showing you in the further videos. These are wire rack handles. Then this is the non-stick coated baking tray. This one is the crumb tray. So this is a whole list of accessories that we have received along with the OTG, and we also have an instruction manual along with the warranty card. It has 2 years warranty. Next we'll check with the dimensions. The length is 54 centimeters, the breadth is 38 centimeters and again the height is 38 centimeters in total. There are vents on both the sides and behind. It has been mentioned in the instruction manual to leave a space of at least 4 inches between the back cover of the OTG and the wall. With respect to the basic functions, the oven helps us to set a temperature up to 230 degrees Celsius. Now, with respect to functions, the first one is defrost, the second one is used for grilling, the third one for pizzas, fourth for tandoori chicken, that is rotisserie, fifth one for cake baking, and the sixth one for cookies. The Morphy Richard service person explained that non-veg should be baked at 230, veg at 200 degrees Celsius, and the rest like cakes and cookies at 180, which I will try and let you know. Now this is a timer knob. Timer knob is used to set the time as per the requirement. Before first use, let the OTG heat up for 10 minutes with the function knob at toast or convection, that is the third option, and select the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. A slight smell may be emitted. This is normal. Please ensure that there is sufficient ventilation. Now you need to place a crumb tray here to collect food particles if any. Wire rack needs to be placed in the middle part. So these are some of the recipes that I've tried. I baked a cake, I baked some cookies and some grilled veggies and non-veg, which I'll be sharing in the coming videos. I hope you all have liked this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates as and when I post. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.